Good evening everyone, this is Madhushan and today I'm going to show you how to download any movie to your iPhone or iPad device without jailbreaking your iPhone or iPad device. And meanwhile I'm going to show you how to download any music video file, any music, any MP3, anything to your mobile without paying a single additional cent. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the like button if you like my video and comment below. I'll reply to everyone if you have any problem. And let's get started. So first you have to visit to App Valley website. For that, please open up your web browser and so go to this web address appvalley.vip. Then click on install. Then it will ask you to add some configuration files to your mobile. Once the profile is downloaded, hit the home button, go to settings, and again go to general. One moment. General. Again go to profile and click on App Valley. Then on the top right corner there's option called install. Click on that and again hit on install button and install. That's all. So we are going to the home screen again, and yes, it's already downloaded. So open up the App Valley software, then click on search, type iTransmission. Alright, so click on get button and then click on install. So we'll go to the home screen again and wait till the transmission is getting downloaded to the mobile. It will take a bit of time. Give me a moment. It's getting installing. So once the iTransmission is downloaded, you can open it and there would be a error message called untrusted enterprise developer. So here what you have to do is again go to settings, again go to general, again go to this profile settings. One moment. Yes, this profile thing. Alright, profile and device management, click on that. Then there's another configuration file added to your mobile and click on trust. Again trust. Now here you go. Right, now the iTransmission has now downloaded. Now from torrents you can download any video file to this. So let me show you how to download any movie or video file. Now everything is ready to download your files. Let's head into the Safari and type Kickass torrents, and yes, we'll see many movie torrents here. Click on one of those and click on the magnet link. Then it will ask to open in iTransmission. Click on open and now it will get started to download. So this is the method how you download anything to your iPhone or iMobile device without anything, without paying a single additional cents. And yes, if you are interested on this video and if you got anything, if you have added anything to your knowledge, so please hit the like